I would like to start with few basic things, and then eventually we'll go into cases. Uh, First, I would like to emphasize that being a homeopath and treating skin diseases is a wonderful opportunity. I congratulate you that you have selected better science to teach dermatology. And we have wonderful medicines. The similimum works like a magic. I will show you few cases. To go through that similimum is a process. It is art as well as science. You know it. But in clinical conditions, we sometimes get involved or get anxious with the clinical presentations, pressures of the relative, clinical condition of the patient, and sometimes we get carried away and prescribe some of the medicine which are routinely prescribed. And just winter psoriasis, Sorinum दे दो, vaccination के बाद है, gutted psoriasis है, Thuja दे दो. That is how everyone practices. But gradually concept evolve, and we can understand that it is a lifelong condition, and we have to understand the constitution, we have to understand the miasm, and then prescribe accordingly. In skin conditions, we have one very tragic thing happening. In India, lot of family or lot of society has a household remedies for the skin conditions. For example, कुछ हो गया नीम का पत्ता लगा लो, ये हो गया हल्दी लगा लो, मेहंदी लगा लो, केरोसिन जला के लगा दो, टार लगा दो. तो ऐसे घरेलू नुस्खे भी काफी सारे हैं हमारे कल्चर में, एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर डूइंग इट. एक्ने हो गया, मुल्तानी मिट्टी लगा लो, ये घिस के लगा दो, what not. And lot of conditions are ameliorated by that also. I don't say that it is all humbug, but it is being done in India. And lot of cultural heritage we have for our skin conditions is everyone knows being an Indian. जैसे एडवर्टीजमेंट में आता है लड़की को हल्दी लगाते हैं, एडवर्टीजमेंट में आता है, तो हल्दी लगाने से स्किन में क्या होता है, डर्माब्रेशन होती है, स्किन में शाइन आती है, एंड यू शाइन. उसी की वजह से मेहंदी, मिल्क, हनी का उपयोग है हमारे स्किन के अंदर. सो इट इज अ हेरिटेज दैट वी हैव. So we must know the medicinal value of that accordingly and allow patient to do that so. Second, lot of patients are under GP. GP के पास गए, GP को skin condition का कितना knowledge है, you all know it. In final MBBS, there is only one question of skin, that is 18 marks, and one question of psychiatric condition, 18 marks. So MBBS people doesn't also know skin well, and over the counter जो भी मेडिकल प्रैक्टिस वो जो RMO आते हैं या फिर मेडिकल जो दवाई बेचने वाली कंपनी वाले लोग आते हैं, वो जो बताते हैं वही प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं. So these people also doesn't know much about the therapeutic implications of various things, and they most of the time prescribe steroid. So then they suppress skin condition further and damages the constitution in a more profound way. And then after one clinical condition is over, or one time the attack is over the counter medicines are available. Next time also you will acquire the same medication and apply. Eachguard is available, Khujli ka malam is available, and what not. Every area has this local medication available. So over the counter also things are available, and people are using it over and over again with subclinical knowledge or overdose and what not. So this further suppresses the skin conditions. And third is very few can go to a dermatologist as a MD skin. Now the scenario has changed for dermatologists also. Initially they were clinicians. They were taking detailed history, how the diseases come, what is your culture, what is your caste, how you are doing your bath, what type of cosmetic you are using, what type of pleasure activity you are into, what type of profession you are into, and correlate disease with your lifestyle, and then modify your lifestyle so that you improve faster and better. But now, lot of dermatologists have turned into a cosmetologist. Laser machine आ गए, hair removal आ गया, ये निकाल दो, वो निकाल दो, ये तोड़ दो, ये रिपेयर कर दो. Implantations आ गई, tummy tuction, nose lift, chin lift, ear lift, क्या क्या आ गया. So this profession has gone into lot of diversification, and skin condition को कोई seriously देखता नहीं है. I have witnessed lot of my friends into private practice, into civil hospitals. I have my close friend into HOD into Surat Civil Hospital, Ahmedabad Civil Hospital. I spent some time with them. They even hardly look at the patient. Patient को chair देने का तो सवाल ही नहीं है, उठाओ, रखो, prescribe. That is the approach they have. 300 patient, 3 patient उनको देखने रहते हैं, 1 मिनट का भी टाइम दिया नहीं जाता, and then you are out. तो गवर्नमेंट की स्कीम के हिसाब से ऐसा होता है. प्राइवेट में भी डॉक्टर्स आर इंटरेस्टेड इनटू लॉट ऑफ सर्जिकल प्रोसीजर्स, उसमें पैकेजेस चलते हैं, पैकेजेस के हिसाब से वो सब बातें चलती है. सो एज अ होम्योपैथ आवर ड्यूटी हैज इंक्रीज ट्रिमेंडसली. डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट के पास भी 3% लोग जा पाते हैं. पहले तो घरेलू नुस्खे वाले आ गए, ओवर द काउंटर्स आ गए, जीपी वाले आ गए, उसके बाद में डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट, उसके बाद में हमारा टर्न आता है. ओनली 1% फेलो, 1% पॉपुलेशन कम टू अ होम्योपैथ. सो इट इज अ रियल रिस्पॉन्सिबल जॉब. एंड हमारी थियोरी में सप्रेशन की थियोरी, मायाजम की थियोरी हमें बहुत पहले से पढ़ाई गई है. ईच को सप्रेस करना ही पूरा इविल है. पूरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को ये ईच सप्रेस करने से ही सारी गड़बड़े होती है. सोरा वॉज कंसिडर्ड एज अ मदर ऑफ डिसीज. हाउ? बिकॉज अर्लियर स्किन कंडीशंस वेर हाईली सप्रेस्ड बाय वेरियस मीन्स, यू नो इट. So this is how our responsibility has increased tremendously, and I take my job seriously. I never take things per se or over the phone, telephone पे कंसल्टेशन दे दिया, ऐसा कभी नहीं करते हैं हम. पेशेंट को बुलाते हैं, बराबर हिस्ट्री भरवाते हैं. I will show you how we take the history in few cases, how detail we should go into the cases, and how we can crack the cases, right? So at Palghar we have designed this. Every patient comes for the screening first. Screening की जाती है, उसको primary disease diagnosis होती है. बाद में we take the full case and then we start the treatment. In pediatric cases, sometimes you find difficulty in diagnosing. In diagnosing, sometimes fungal infection, nappy rash, and inverse psoriasis. Sometimes inverse psoriasis जो nappy rash की जगह पे होती है, folds में होती है. And sometimes they present as a fungal disease and candidial infection, and lot of patients are ill treated because of such conditions. So that you have to keep in mind. Seborrheic are so many a time considered as a simple dandruff or a tinea capitis and misjudged as a scalp psoriasis. So these are the few conditions which you have to be very careful of. Nappy rash जो होती है बच्चों में sides पे, वो कई बार inverse psoriasis होती है, because that lesion extends from folds to the thigh and the upper abdomen, and these areas are ever increasing. A classical papillosquamous condition, you will be able to know few plaques will be available if you closely examine, and itching is there in both the conditions, and the history of nappy is available sometime or not available. So you have to go very carefully. And candidial infection is inclined to genitals only. But a lot of lot of clinicians don't look into the matter and prescribe anti-candidal medicines. And the other is scalp conditions. Many times seborrheic is misjudged as a tinea capitis, and all treatment is forced, done for the fungal infection. So these over a period of time, if they don't respond, then they end up into a lot of psoriasis. So these are the few things which you will have to understand. And lot of eczemas, palmoplantar eczemas are diagnosed as psoriasis, and psoriasis are diagnosed as a eczema. So in cases of housewives, then they wash with the soap and detergent, the clinical condition increases. But the differentiation, I will show you how to go into the cases from location. She must have done it, but I will focus from different areas. Say for example, हाथ के लीजन्स है, तो क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है, प्लांटर और डॉर्सल में क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है, फेस के लीजन्स में क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है, स्कैल्प के लीजन में क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है. वी विल गो फ्रॉम लोकेशन, वी विल टेक अ रिवर्स रूट, नॉट फ्रॉम डिसीज, फ्रॉम लोकेशन, कहाँ कहाँ क्या क्या होता है. देन इट विल बी इजियर फॉर यू टू go into clinical condition and manage the case. Psoriasis, I will go very briefly. You know it. This is the condition. See, many times students know it is a psoriasis, but doesn't know what is basic psoriasis lesion. Psoriasis basically is a plaque. The lesion is, primary lesion is plaque. when you describe the lesion, you must write that circumscribed, which is a round region, circumscribed erythematous plaque with silvery scales. If you don't write